Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on perimeter. Now, as you saw in one of my earlier videos, I made a video on area of a rectangle. So today's video is going to be on perimeter of a rectangle. I'll go over the definition of what perimeter of a rectangle is and give you some examples, and then we'll end it with a bonus activity. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at perimeter now. So here we have the definition of perimeter. And perimeter is basically just the distance around the edge of a shape. And the basic formula is 2 times A plus B. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you some examples of what a perimeter looks like. Let's go and take a look at here. So here is the first example here. I got a rectangle, and we got the definition of perimeter here. Again, is breadth plus height plus height. So if you're wondering what that means, breadth plus height, I went over that earlier in my previous video, I should say, and it's basically just breadth, which is here, and height, which is here. Okay, now I'm going to stick to the breadth because most people worldwide use breadth, but again, width is okay. It doesn't bother me at all. I'm totally okay with that. Okay, so that's basically what the definition is. And for this particular problem, we're going to say that the breadth is 5 centimeters here. And then the height, we're going to make it 2 meters. Excuse me, I meant 5 meters for the breadth. So the breadth here is 5 meters, and then the height is 2 meters here and here, which means is the other breadth here is going to be 5 meters. The formula here is just going to be B plus B plus H plus H. So that's the formula. However, you can also use 2B plus 2H or 2 times B plus H, which is all breadth and height. Okay, so for this particular problem, you're going to have, for the perimeter, you're going to have 2 times 5 plus 2. You can just follow this most basic formula, which is 2 times 5 plus 2, which you know 5 plus 2 is 7 times 2, which is going to give you 14. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example now. And here I just have different examples of what other types of perimeter here. These are shapes that are what we would call irregular shapes. Most of them are rectangular in form, and you're going to have to just basically find the perimeter by figuring out what the distance is around the shape, the edge of the shape. So I've got an example here how to do that. So again, we're looking here at this rectangle here, and we're going to find out what the perimeter is for it. And again, what you're going to do is just add 3 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4 centimeters. So the answer is centimeters here. So you're going to add those together, and you're also going to want to add, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Now those are the missing angles here. You can see there's a missing measurement here, and then there's a missing measurement here. So we want to find out what those are, and the best way to do it is just basically find out how much here is missing. So we know the bottom is 10 centimeters, and we know here at the top it's 4, so we know that's going to be 6 centimeters. For this part here, we know that the side is 5 centimeters. So we know here on this side, it's 3 centimeters. So we know that the answer here is going to, well, that'll help us figure out what the answer is. So let me just clean this out here real quick so I can show you the answer is here. So we got 2 centimeters here for that missing part, and 6 centimeters here for that missing part. answer then basically is you're going to take 10 plus 5 times 2. That's going to give you 30 centimeters here. This is the bonus activity actually. So I'm going to go ahead and start the bonus activity for you now. And I'm going to ask you to find the missing perimeter. You can see is right here. And I've already given you the measurements. So here's the missing perimeter here. I've already given you the length here and breadth here. So you're just going to take those and then tell me what the perimeter is for the first bonus activity. Now I've got a second bonus activity here. As you can see, I want you to find the missing sides of each of these shapes here and then tell me what the perimeter is for each one. And don't forget to put centimeters, okay? Because a lot of times my students tend to forget to write the measurement. So here we're writing centimeter. Please don't forget to write that. And again, here the missing part is 5 centimeters. So don't forget to include that as well as part of the activity, as well as writing the total answer, which is 34 centimeters. Excuse me about that. A little sloppy, I apologize. So don't forget to include that as well for this, okay? So do that for the other examples that I've given you. And then you can, again, like I've been doing the entire time, you can take a screenshot, you can write it down and take a photo of it, and then send it to me. You know where my email is. It's always in the description down below, and also leave it at the end of this video as well. So you can let me know in any way. And as I've been doing throughout lately, is giving you the bonus activity answer key. So I do have this available for you to look at. So again, I will also leave this in the description down below, and you can check it out and see how you did on your answers. Okay, so well, that'll do it for this video, and I really appreciate you spending part of your day with me. As you can see, I'm using a different format again that I used in my previous video, and I'm just trying to get oriented with it. So if you kind of see me fumbling a bit and like not doing it quite right, it's because I'm still learning how to work it. But I will get it figured out eventually. I really enjoyed coming out in the video. Previously, I had a really good response, and I liked it. So I'm going to keep doing it from now on. And I wanted to just change up the format a bit, see what I can find that works. And I'm going to try this new one out here for you guys and see how it looks. And if it looks good, then hey, I'm going to just keep doing it, and you'll just keep seeing me for now. So anyways, again, thank you all so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can find out when my next videos will come out. I try to put one out at least once a week, twice a week if I can. I'm on summer break right now, so I'll try to put some more out. And if you have anything you want to see, or you have anything that you like for me to do, again, send me a message and we can make an arrangement. So until then, I hope you all stay safe out there. Have a great day.